Hey, I'm Matt with Me Church here at Aggie Park at Texas A&M. It's time for Troubadour Festival, College Station. Let's go. Here we are again, May 2025, Troubadour Festival at Texas A&M. There's 2 Troubadours a year, one in Celina, one here. We did a video on this last year and you guys loved it, killed it, so we decided we're gonna do it again. So right here, we're at the Meet Church and Friends Live Fire Experience. We have 5 barbecue joints here, all friends of mine. We've got B4 from Maybank, we've got Dayne's from Alito, we've got Rossler's Blue Cord Barbecue, and we've got my buddy Jordan Jackson. We're all doing live fire stuff. I've got a whole hog going on our BQ grills. I've got 50 racks of beef ribs on my mill scale 1,000 gallon. I don't know what everybody else is doing, but I know we've got over here, Nolan with B4 is doing pastrami lingua. He's also doing oxtail. Jordan is cooking some delicious stuff over a live fire. Ton of amazing stuff here today. It's gonna be a lot of fun. There's also 25 more barbecue joints, a bunch of Texas top barbecue joints. This is the most amazing day. And then when we're done, over here in the amphitheater, insane concert, headlined by Shane Smith and the Saints, good friends of ours. Right before them, Wade Bowe and Randy Rogers doing my Hold My Beer, Watch This set. I get to introduce them. Right before them, 49 Winchester, and then Hudson Westbrook, who's on an absolute rocket ship. So today's gonna be fun. Let's go try a bunch of barbecue, see what we're making, talk to some friends. It's gonna be fun. All right, this is the Meet Church Friends live fire area, so let's go see what my buddies are making. Steven Rossler, love this guy to the point that he's gone to Hawaii with me numerous times. I was not in a Speedo. He was.
Yeah, I was.
But we're not gonna talk about that today. We're gonna talk about what you've made.
So we got a 44 Farms brisket, fried rice,
Whoa.
and we had some extra pork tomahawk. So we put that on top of it. Why not? Because our first dish had dirty rice with the pork tomahawk on top of it. But we had extra because we ran out of dirty rice. So guess what? That's what Matt's getting now.
Oh
so,
my God.
Come on now.
Dude, that rice looks amazing.
Similar to what we had at your party, your block party.
But not on a hot dog this time.
Not on a hot dog. Yes, sir.
Ooh. You got yum yum sauce in there.
That yum yum, that egg. We were tossing rice earlier. We were doing baby chicken, everything.
That's so good. Right? So good.
That's all Kristen. So the lady behind
We knew that. We knew that.
Yeah.
MVP back there.
MVP, the backbone.
I'm here with my west of Fort Worth, is that right? Homie,
Yeah.
Dayne Weaver, who makes amazing food. What do we got?
So today we've got this skirt steak taco. So it's a Sonoran style tortilla. So the kind you get when you're down in the south of Arizona. Great tortilla, and then it's 44 Farms outside skirt steak that we grilled with Holy Voodoo. So it doesn't get any better than that. And then we topped it with a red salsa, little onion, cilantro, and some lime to top it off. So I think you need to try this and tell me what you think, all right? Squeeze that lime on there, though.
Better take that off. Hold that for me.
Cool.
One bite, everybody knows the rules. Look, so tender.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
more tender than Ashley's love.
Yeah, that 44 Farms steak is where it's at, so.
Ashley's his wife, by the way. She loves him dearly.
Yeah.
That's
she's
amazing.
the
So good.
best. Beautiful.
Hey, I love when you get away from barbecue and you do something else.
Well, what's fun is doing all the other stuff we're doing here too. Usually we kind of are on our own thing, but collaborating with you today and getting us to work together has been a lot of fun.
The only bad thing about this, all this fire back here, is I've lost 10 pounds of sweat already.
yeah, it's a hot one back here when you're doing live fire, but
It's worth it.
yeah, we're making it happen.
Thanks, man.
Yeah.
My name is Nolan with B4 Barbecue. Today we did a open-faced Reuben sandwich. We did a smoked rye bread, pastrami lingua, We made a house dressing. We topped it with pickled onion and bull's blood for garnish.
Bull's blood. We ain't playing. So, for people that don't know, lingua, cow tongue. This looks amazing. I'm going in. God, this is awesome. This is beautiful. First, that's the prettiest bite out here.
Yeah.
That wins prettiest bite. Now let's see if it wins
Cheers.
tastiest. Damn. Flavor explosion. That's amazing. You got to go to Maybank Feed Store, hit up B4. This is awesome. Cheers to you. Thanks, buddy.
Thanks, brother. Appreciate it, man.
What do we got here?
It's a dill focaccia, bone marrow chimichurri aioli, terrace major, remoulade, candied lemon. Dill.
Is this a one-biter? Looks amazing.
One biter.
Oh. That's delicious. I ain't mad at it. That's so good. I love the lemon. Here with my good buddy Nick, who owns Stanley's in Tyler, one of my favorite barbecue joints in the world, because not only do they have amazing barbecue, first place, my 12-year-old son had ribs. We just discussed this last week. But they've got a sick patio with amazing live music. This guy brings in the best music
Thank you,
ever.
Matt. Thank you, Matt.
What you got here? What do you got?
The world famous brother-in-law sandwich. Rolling some East Texas style craziness. This sandwich has been on our menu for, as far as I know, the whole time that Stanley's has been around, which is 65 years. But it's kind of weird. It's got cheese on it, but don't knock it until you try it. It's cheese, a house-made hot link that we grill on the flat top. We hand chop some brisket, prime brisket, baby, only prime. Put it on there, little bun. We put sauce on it. We ain't trying to hide anything. It's just part of what we do. And
The thing is, barbecue sauce is my favorite condiment, so I ain't mad at it.
well, it just goes with it. There's the link.
A lot going on there.
There is. Yeah. Cheers.
Cheers, buddy.
Happy Troubadour.
I ain't mad at it. That's unbelievable. Man, thank you. So good. Well, it's been about 9 hours. She's ready. It's time to pull it and chop it. Eastern North Carolina style whole hog on a Texas jalapeno bun. So simple, yet so complex, so delicious. Okay, that was a lot. We're done cooking. Everybody loved the whole hog. I mean, the crispy skin is like my treat of the day, but we served like hundreds of smoked s'mores with peanut butter cups, the famous meat church dessert. The beef rib, 44 Farms beef ribs, came up with this red chimichurri, very spicy, so delicious with the aioli. People love that. Like I said, in the whole hog sliders, it was like Eastern North Carolina. My buddy Michael Letchworth of Sam Jones Barbecue taught me to cook whole hog. So first cooked on the BQ grills, had a fun time. So we used the Sam Jones sauce only, but we put it on a Texas jalapeno slider bun made in Houston. So it was super delicious. But I'm gonna go take a shower and head to watch the music. How are y'all doing? It's usually a lot louder in Aggie land. How are y'all doing? That's better. You sound like 10,000 people that ate too much barbecue today, and I love that. I'm Matt Pittman, AKA Meat Church. You guys have a great day. Amazing barbecue today. Shout out to all of you that came and braved the 90% humidity. What a day. I've never eaten so much in my life, but ton of fun. Music's been amazing. You guys give it up for Hudson Westbrook. Big fan of 49 Winchester. They killed it. But this next band, this is really cool. When my buddy Chase, thank you Chase for inviting me, he asked me if I want to come up here and introduce some friends of ours. So Wade and Randy are buddies, so this is pretty special. If you've never seen this show, do you guys know what they call it when Wade and Randy play a show together? Okay. They call it Hold My Beer and Watch This. Let's go.
Hell yeah, brother! Yeah!
We just got done stone colding a couple beers to introduce Wade Bowen and Randy Rogers. I'm soaking wet down here, changed my shirt. Thanks to Poncho, nice clean shirt for the rest of the night. Well, today was like so much fun. You know, having my family and my friends and our close, employees come do this event, just absolute ton of fun. Trying everybody's barbecue. If you've never been to a Troubadour Festival, you got to look it up. Troubadourfestival.com. It's a family-owned business. They know how to curate an event, especially on the barbecue side. But concerts are still going on. Hudson Westbrook was awesome. 49 Winchester was awesome. But I'm going to head out because my buddies Wade Bowen and Randy Rogers are playing their Hold My Beer, Watch This set right now. Hey, if you guys like this, please make sure you like and subscribe. It's how we keep bringing you these free videos every Wednesday. See you guys next time.